Hello, welcome everybody in this channel and in this video. So today is the video tutorial for the Adobe Photoshop software. This is the class number 1. So you know that everybody knows about the Photoshop software. This is the photo editing software. So few reasons why you need to use the Photoshop software. Because first of all, if you want to edit a photo professionally, normally you can edit in the photo in the mobile. Lots of apps is available there. But if you want to do professionally, you need the computer and you need the Adobe Photoshop software. The second reason, if you are a video editor and sometimes you need to remove, edit some sort of photo, and you have to import the photo to the video editing software. So you have to remove the background and edit something else. So you need the Photoshop to edit the photo. Then you have to import the photo to the video editing software like Premiere Pro or something else. This is the second reason. Third reason, if you want to create a thumbnail for the YouTube videos or something else, Facebook, you need to know the Photoshops. You can easily create the thumbnails for the YouTube videos with the Photoshop. Of course, there is some sort of alternatives like the Canva or AI. You can also make the thumbnail. But if you know the Photoshops, it will be better for you. So today is the class number 1. So let's get started.
So welcome back to the screen. I'm K. Chaudhuri Rimul with you, and today we are kicking off our Adobe Photoshop beginner series class 1. So I'll open the Photoshop software first. So Photoshop is opening right now. So it will take about few seconds. So in the few parts I will show you in the first video about the basics of the Photoshop. So part one is what is the Photoshop? Photoshop is a powerful image editing software used by photographers, designers, and digital artists. And now you. In this series, we'll go to the basic tools to the advanced edits. But first, let's understand the interface. So Photoshop is opening right now. So in the part two, we'll talk about the Photoshop interface overview. So after opening the Photoshop, you can see the menu bar, toolbar, option bar, panel, and the canvas. So this type of things you can see. So you can see the Photoshop is already opened right now. So this is the interface of the Adobe Photoshop. So in the top bar, this is the Photoshop menu bar. Menu bar. Up top in the menu bar, you can see the file, edit, image, layer. This is where all the major activities, uh, major actions live. The first one is file, edit, image, layer. You will use this sort of things more. Then next one is a toolbar. So if you want to go to the main window, you have to click the create new. Otherwise, you can see, or if you worked before here, you can click the open. So I'll click the create new, then you can see the main interface of the Photoshop. So I'll click the create new. So when you click the create new, you can see few options is here. First one is the default Photoshop size, and next one is the custom. So today is the first class, so I'll click the default Photoshop size, which is 16 centimeter by 12 centimeters at the rate 118 point something pixels. So in the right side, you can see um, the settings of the your layout. First one is the width, height, then resolution, then the color mode, and something like that. So keep it just default now because this is the first class. Later you can go to the custom size. So click the create. So now you can see the main interface of the Photoshop. So on top of this is the menu bar, file, image, edit, image, layer, and something else. And next is the toolbar. On the left, no, no, then this is the toolbar. In the left side, there is a on the left, this is your toolbar where you will find tools like move, brush, crop, eraser, and lots of other tools. You can use this sort of tools to edit your photo or modify your photo and change everything. You can edit here from here. This sort of tools you have to use. Then is the option bar. Just under the menu bar, you can see file, edit, image, layer. This is the menu bar. And just under the menu bar, there is the option bar. This is called the option bar, where you can see my mouse here right now. This changes based on your tool you are using. So if you change the tool from here, then your option bar will also be changed with the tools. For example, I click something here, then you can see the option bar also changed. The next thing is the panels. On the right, we have got the panels like layer, properties, and modes. This is called the panel. And in the center, canvas. Then this is the canvas. In the center, in your canvas, where this is where the magic happens. This is called the canvas, the middle part of the Photoshop interface. So on top, this is the menu bar. Then on the left side, this is the toolbar. Then under the menu bar, this is called option bar. Then in the right side, this is the panels, and in the middle part, this is the called canvas. So you can get the basic idea of the Photoshop interface overview. So you can in the part 3 now, we'll try to create a new document. So how to create a new document? You can click from the file, go to the file, and click new. So if you click new, then you can see this page, whatever you've seen before. Uh, you can click from here Photoshop default size, or you can click the custom from here, or if you have some other if you want to edit your photo for website or print media, you can select from here. You can write your name, file name from here. For example, you can untitled here, so you can remove the file name and you can write something. For example, I'm writing something. You can write a name from here. You can select white, height, resolution. For example, resolution 300 is for the print media and 72 for the web. Then you can click create. So this way you can create a new document. The next part is the basic tools introduction. This is the part 4. Basic tools introduction. Let's try a few basic tools. You can see toolbar is the left side. There's a lots of tools here. Most important tools is move tools. This is the keyboard shortcut is V. Let's you move your layers around. This is the move key. Then the brush key. This is the also important tools. Brush tool. You can paint with it, choose colors from the color picture. Then another important tool is the text tool. This is the keyboard shortcut is T. Click and type. You can change font, size, colors in the top bar. You can use these tools. if you click it here, then the option bar on the top, you can see there is the option will be appeared for the text tools. Another important tool is the eraser tools. Eraser tools. If you click here, so this is the eraser tools to if you want to erase any parts of your layers. So if you click this sort of tools, you can see there is also sub tools is also here. You can see I clicked on the eraser tools, then you can see one eraser tools, one background eraser tools, one magic eraser tools. So under this sort of tools, there is also sub tools is also here. So I'll tell you all the name of the tools. So top one is the move tool. Then the next one is the selection tool. Then you can see there is a lots of selection tools here. One is rectangular, one is vertical, one is circle. So lots of type of tools here. The next one is the lasso tool. Then this is the object selection tool. Then after that crop tool. Then this one frame tool. Then eyedropper tool. Then spot heading brush tool. And next one is the brush tool. There is lots of brushes here, like brush tool, pen tool, color replacement tool, mixer brush tool, and you can see if you click here all of them, there you can see there is a lots of tools is here. You can use this sort of tools to edit your photo. Okay, I'll go to the next part. This is the understanding layers. So understanding what is the layers. Layers are like sheets stacked on the top of each other. To get a layer, use the layer panel. You can go to the menu bar, click on the layer, then click new, then click layer. So from here, you can create a layer. You can write a name for your layer. For example, this name is layer 1. So keep it default like that. Or you can write a name here. Then you can click OK. So things, what is the layers actually? Things of layers like ingredients in a sandwich. You can edit each part without messing up the others. So this is called like the layers. So next part is the mini practice. So we'll try to practice a little bit something with the tools. First of all, to start to practice something, we'll try to practice a little bit. So click the file, create new. So you can create a new page or new document, something like that. Click the default size for now. Then click the create. So you can see the new blank document or canvas is appeared here. You can work here. You can add colors, something like that. You can write something here. For example, or for example, this is the selection or marker tool. So you can try to practice some sort of tools to use here. This is the lasso tool. So what is this? You can see, you can mark something like that with the lasso tool. Then next tool is objection selection tool. You can select any kind of object like that. Then the next thing is the crop tool. So then in the bottom, you can see the text tool. So you can use all of the tools and you can practice yourself. So you can say I click the text tool. So if you want to write something in the here, you can use this sort of tools. Then you can change the font size of the text. You can change the color from here and everything. So in this first video, you got some sort of idea of the Photoshop. So this is the first steps into the world of Photoshops. In our next class, we'll dive into the selection tool. There where you can find fun really begins. So make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next lesson. So have any question or want to share your practice work, drop in the comments below. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'm Kia Chaudhary Rimul was with you. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and the comments. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in the next class of the Photoshop.